What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Turbo C on Windows. This guide is perfect if you're setting up Turbo C for the first time, whether you're a beginner learning C programming or just need Turbo C or C++ for an older project. First, open your preferred web browser and head to studiopedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the C section, which is typically found under the programming tutorials. From here, look to the top left panel and select Setup Environment for C. This option will guide you to resources for setting up Turbo C/C++ on Windows. Once you're on the Setup Environment for C page, scroll down until you find the option to download Turbo C/C++. Click on the download link. The file size is relatively small, so it shouldn't take a long time to download, even on slower connections. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or the location where the file is saved. You will notice the download file is compressed, usually in a zip format, so you will need to extract it. To do this, right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract All, or use an extraction tool like WinRAR or 7-Zip. Choose a location to extract the contents, and once done, open the extracted folder. Inside the folder, locate the Turbo C installer file. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. A prompt may appear asking for permission to allow the installation. Go ahead and confirm. The Turbo C installer will then launch, and you will see the installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. It will guide you through multiple prompts where you'll be asked to select the installation location and configure basic settings. For most users, the default settings work just fine, so feel free to keep them as is. Just click Next through each step, and finally, click on Install to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, the setup wizard will give you an option to launch Turbo C right away. Click Finish to close the installer, and then launch the Turbo C application. You can also find it on your desktop or in your Start menu if a shortcut was created. After launching Turbo C, you will see the familiar blue IDE interface, which is where you will write and run your C or C++ code. From here, you're ready to start coding in Turbo C. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.